Hello and welcome back to the Humphreys YouTube channel. Today we're going over the newest addition to our online store. This is the Illusion Blaze DownEast Beast. The DownEast Beast is the tallest of our standard sizes, that being the Battle Box, the Pint, and then the DownEast Beast. The DownEast Beast has quite the cooking capacity on here. Let's take a look inside. So as you can see, it comes standard with 4 stainless steel round bar cooking racks, but it does come with 12 rack slide locations, meaning if you wanted to add additional cooking racks, you absolutely could do that. Now, speaking of it coming with 12 rack slide locations, as you can see on the bottom here, you do have your slide out water pan system here. So that does take up one of those 12 rack slide locations. If you are one that would like to use that as either a grease catch, a water pan, or a place to put your fire bricks, you absolutely can. But say you really are looking to cram this smoker and get the most out of your cooking capacity, you could always take that out and add another cooking rack there as well. So this is a Gen 23 smoker, which means it comes with all the standard Gen 23 features, meaning it does come with the racks for hanging already notched at the top of this. So if you wanted to use dowels or rods to hang bacon, sausage, really any kinds of meats. I know some people that cook their ribs that way as well. You totally could. This smoker does come outfitted with these standard slam latches, 6-inch casters. You have 2 of the probe ports on the side, your ball valve on the bottom, and you have 2 D-ring handles on each side for kind of moving this smoker around. Of course, you do have your chimney on the top as well. This is where you can kind of adjust that. Normally, I leave mine about a finger width open, kind of like that once it's up and running, but everyone kind of has their own little system for that. While we're up close and personal with this color, the body of this smoker is powder coated in this gorgeous orange. It's called Illusion Blaze. Kind of has a metallic-y undercoat. It is very striking when the sun hits that. And your hardware and doors on this smoker are powder coated in textured black. That is probably the color that we use the most of on our smokers. It's very durable. And obviously when you get it dirty because it's a smoker, you're going to, and doesn't show that as badly. What else did I talk about in the last video? Yes. And speaking of other Gen 23 features, you do have the all-in-one firebox in this smoker. So as you see, you have your built-in ash pan with your firebox. Burn time on this, we always say 12 plus hours, but that really depends on the type of charcoal you're using, the temperature you're running at. Are you running with a controller? Are you running natural? There's a lot of different variables on that, but normally we say 12 plus hours on a standard firebox. Now, this smoker is available for purchase right online on our website. A question that we get a lot of the time when we have smokers that are in the available now section is, what kind of upgrades can I do to this smoker? So there's quite a few that you can actually add. Of course, there are some that you're not able to because those need to be added during production. But some of the upgrades that you can do, and some of the most common actually, are caster upgrades. Standard, they come with 6-inch casters, but you can upgrade to 8-inch or 10-inch. You can also add angled legs if you want to. For the DownEast Beast, that might not be necessary because of how tall it already is. But we do see a lot of people going up to like 8-inch casters on this. You can, of course, add any of our other Humphreys accessories, such as the basting tray, the Butterfingers, the chicken sled, the brisket sled, the low riders, the lift kits. You can add additional racks on. You can do any of our rubs and sauces. A lot of the times when we see people ordering smokers, when we ship them, we actually put a lot of your accessories and things like that inside the smoker, like the cook chamber and the firebox. So a lot of the time we see people load this up as much as possible to have it ship out at the same time with their smoker. All right, I feel like that about covers everything on this gorgeous DownEast Beast. Like I said, this is available for purchase in the Available Now section on our website. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Give us a call, send us an email or a message on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, any of the above. Make sure you follow us on all platforms at Humphreysbbq. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe on this video. If you guys have any other videos you'd like to see, please let us know in the comment section below. Don't worry, we have a full docket coming up of videos from the hot box, how to clean your smokers, some different cooks coming up. So we have a lot planned for that. So hopefully you guys see some of those coming out soon. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching.